तेल और गैस के लगातार बढ़ते दाम और महंगाई की मुखालफत में कांग्रेस ने मुजाहरा किया है। आज पार्टी के कई लीडरान ने असेंबली तक साइकिल मार्च निकाला है, जहां साबिक सीएम सिद्धरमैया, रियासती कांग्रेस सदर डीके शिवकुमार समेत कई एमएलए शामिल हुए। इस मौके पर पार्टी के सीनियर लीडर दिनेश गुंडूराव ने सीएम बसवराज बोम्मई के जवाब पर सवाल उठाया है। किसान आंदोलन को लेकर दिए गए सीएम के बयान पर पलटवार करते हुए राव ने कहा कि फंडिंग की वजह से कोई तहरीक इतनी लंबी नहीं चलती। अगर उनके पास कोई सबूत हो तो पेश करें। साइकिल यात्रा आप देख सकते हैं। लगातार जो महंगाई हो रही है उस महंगाई पर लगाम नहीं लग पा रही है। तेल की कीमतों में मुसलसल इजाफा हो रहा है। रसोई की ऐसी कीमत बढ़ रही है। जो सब्सिडी है उसको ख़त्म किया गया है और जिसके बाद से जो आम आदमी है उसकी जेब पर काफ़ी बोझ पड़ गया है। और जो खाने पीने की जितने भी मंशियात हैं वो सब महंगी हो गई है, क्योंकि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अल्टीमेटली महंगा हो गया है डीजल के महंगे होने की वजह से। और इसीलिए जो आम इंसान है उसको अब घर चलाना मुश्किल हो रहा है। लिहाजा उन्हीं की हिमायत में कांग्रेस ने जमकर मुजाहरा किया है।
I don't understand the Chief Minister's reply till now. We are talking about price rises. We are talking about petrol products, commodities going, touching the sky. LPG, petrol, diesel, and all, construction material, cooking oil. Everything has, been skyrocketing. And when we are talking about that, he has got no reply. So he's diverting the subject, talking about and also defaming the farmers of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, many northern states. It's a legitimate right of the farmers. They have been struggling on the streets for 8 months, 9 months. People have died, and he, Chief Minister, has ridiculed them by calling it a sponsored protest. It shows, first of all, that was not required for him to even reply in that manner. Second thing, it shows his mindset that he is completely clueless about what he is saying. So I condemn the Chief Minister for this reply. To when a democracy, protests do happen, and if he's got any proof that it's sponsored, then he should produce that proof. Why will people stay on the streets for 8, 9 months? Has any such protest happened ever before? How long can you sponsor these kind of events? And if they have proof, let the central leadership arrest those people who are sponsoring this.
और वहीं इस मौके पर दिनेश गुंडूराव ने बीजेपी पर नफरत फैलाने का इल्जाम लगाया।
I'm sure they will say that RSS and Jan Sangh were the reasons why India got freedom. I'm sure they will portray, Mr. Golwalkar as the champion of human rights. I'm sure they will portray, some of the Jan Sangh leaders as the ones who fought for social justice. I'm sure they will erase history. They will twist it around to suit their narrative. When the 75th year of independence we are celebrating, and if they can remove Pandit Nehru's photograph from there and completely erase him from that to his contribution, these people can go to any extent because they have not contributed for the building of the nation.
Is it a saffronization, sir?
Completely they will saffronize. Then they are open. They don't care what people say. They are not bothered about what media says. They don't bother about what people say because they say we've been elected. So this is a tyranny by the elected.
As the opposition party,
We will look at what they are going to do and we will bring the issues to the public. See, in Karnataka they may try to erase Tipu Sultan. They may try to erase Hyder Ali. They may try to erase contribution of other people from other communities.